A nice simple beginner's recipe for you today. We're going to make a peach flavoured lip butter. So here's the recipe for a 50-gram batch. You can make less, but it gets a bit fiddly with lots of tiny amounts otherwise. So we're going to keep it to 50. We're going to take away the cool down phase, and we're going to add our jojoba oil to our shea butter, just like that. That's 74% or 37 grams of shea butter and 24% or 12 grams of jojoba oil. Then we're going to melt that in a bain-marie. If you don't know what a bain-marie is, it's simply a pan with a couple of inches of water, and then you place your heat-proof beaker into the water. And what that does is help control the heat when you melt things so that the shea butter doesn't overheat. So when that's all melted down, give that a stir, and then what you want to do is leave that to cool for about an hour or so that it can firm up. Once it's firm, we're going to whip it up with our hand mixer to make it light and fluffy. The reason that we melted it down was to get a fluffier texture when we did this, and also to prevent any graininess. Then, so long as your mix is 40 degrees C or lower, you can add your cool down phase, which is our 0.5% vitamin E oil as an antioxidant, and our fragrance oil at 1.5%. And then once that's combined with your hand mixer again, you can fill your containers of choice. This is our finished butter. It does start firming up the cooler it gets, but obviously it'll melt on your finger when you apply it. I'm sure you can fill containers better than me, and sorry about the lighting and out of focus. Here I've used just a little grip seal bag, and I've cut the end off just to use as like a mini piping bag, and it just makes life easier. And there you go, it's that simple. In the summer you'd probably want to keep this in the fridge because it is likely to melt, but for winter this is super moisturising, so it's really good to have on hand. And if you want to change the flavour oil or the butter or the oils, go ahead, it's all up to you. You can completely customise it. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.